Hey guys, welcome back to Hike Oregon. We are here at the Hart's Cove trailhead and we are going to do this beautiful hike that is only open for a few months out of the year. It actually closes in January, so we just have a few more weeks left of this trail being open, and it's supposed to be a super awesome coastal gem, so catch you on the trail. Okay, we are done with Hart's Cove Trail. It was so amazing, as you saw, so worth it. The mileage on the sign is wrong, as per usual. Usually the signs are not correct. It was exactly a mile over what this says. So this is 2.7, so that would make it 5.4. It was exactly 6.4. So, and we didn't go off trail at all. We just went right down to the cove. So I'm not sure what that's all about, but thank you so much for watching, and we will catch you on the next adventure.